Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can block site suggested apps on your Chrome browser. So in order to do that, in order to block it, you can click three dot at top right corner of your screen and click settings. Here under privacy and security, you can click add privacy. Customize the info used by sites to show you ads. And here site suggested ads based on your activity on a site. This setting is on. So here if you turn this off, you cannot block active sites here because there is no there is no site suggested listed in here because you turn off this feature. But if you turn this on, there are some sites listed here, and also you can block sites you don't want. Chrome also auto delete sites from the list that are older than 30 days. So here you can block. There is a toggle like this beside the sites name, sites title. So just turn off like this. You block the sites, and the sites you block will be in here. Blocked sites appear here, so you can unblock it in here. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and circle the text button below. See you in the next video.